Morning.
Morning. Morning.
We're in the Premier Inn in Newcastle and we are going to
Florida
for 2 weeks. We fly at 11 o'clock. We need to be on the plane by around about 10ish. So we've got plenty of time just to walk over the road.
I'm gonna trunky along.
Yeah, they're both going to trunky along. My car's in the long stay car park. Let's go.
Everybody hear me? Whoa, step back. Hello? Check. That better? Okay.
Just about to go into security. It is now 8 o'clock. And guess who forgot that he has a drink?
Hi vloggers.
Hi vloggers. So I'm gonna have to down this. So as you come through duty free, there's bar 11. You've got Astor and Time Bar and Kitchen, change your money over there, Soul and Grain. You have a WH Smith, you've got a Boots, Starbucks, Upper Crust, never heard of it, Traveller, never really heard of it. You've got the Keystone Bar and Kitchen, which we went to last year when we went to France. Bit expensive, but it does do a nice bacon buddy. And of course, what airport isn't complete without a Burger King?
Hi guys, today we're at the airport still. Mum did it 2 hours early, but I've built a car, a bum bum, and yeah, and we're just waiting now. It's like 20 minutes till we can go on the plane, and yeah, so bye.
So it took us till 20 past 8 to sit down. That was really quick. Going through security was brilliant because we didn't need to empty any of our electronics out. So we parked in the long stay car park, which was nice and easy to find, good easy directions, get your ticket. Only thing is, it goes to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A lot of car parks. It says the spaces, but it's really hard to find them. Otherwise, 10-minute walk, exactly 10 minutes from there back to the Premier Inn. Can't complain with that. So we managed to get past security and everything like that, and it was 20 past 8. So we had 2 hours to wait until the gate was announced. The gate was announced, gate 25, just been scanned in. So now we wait. We got these cool little earbuds with TUI, in-flight entertainment, TV, on the wall, there's movies, new releases, everything there. It's new, fairly new I would say, because you've got the likes of Magic Mike, which is pretty old, Oppenheimer, fairly new I suppose, Wonka, kind of new. If that is not your thing, then you've got TV, music, games, and if you really want to, you can just watch the flight as usual. And not even 10 minutes later, being given a Madry. Can't fault that at all. So Izzy's kids' dinner's just arrived. What is it, Izzy? What have we got?
I've got mini cheddars, like a fork in there, got like crackers, Oreos, and water. So you can pour it like into like a cup.
Yeah.
Thingy-majiggy. And
Your main meal?
My main meal is even open chicken with like peas and sweet corn.
And
Like
potato.
Yeah, and there's butter, yeah.
And butter.
Hi guys, this is the adult meal my dad has got.
Chicken in black pepper sauce. Jacob's crackers. Some milk for some reason. Mini water roll. Butter. More butter. A tropical mousse. And
Whatever that stuff is.
I haven't got a clue. Now, I recommend this game called Crossy Road here. It's Crossy Road Castle. It's got no ads. It's an offline game, so you can play it without no internet. Afternoon snack for the kids. The water. And she didn't spill any.
I don't think.
You have got one of these sandwiches, simply ham and simply cheese. Or some milk.
Whatever that's for.
Don't have a clue. And a raspberry tiffin.
What's that?
Like cake, yeah. And for the adults version, we got exactly the same, except we get spinach and cress and stuff.
Welcome to Florida. Are you ready? Let's get started! It's vacation time, baby! At our approximate travel time to our first resort, which is the Art of Animation, is 90 minutes. After that stop, we will proceed on to Pop Century, and on to Disney's Caribbean Beach. Yay. And all of those resorts are within 5 to 7 minutes apart. I am happy to have provided a safe and successful arrival to Walt Disney World! Yes!
I'm excited!
Alright.
Yeah!
It's showtime!
Woo!